7 AI skills you need to master in order to become rich in 2025. Skill number 1 might actually be the most important one because it's the one skill that makes every other AI tool actually work. This skill will determine whether you get genius level results or complete garbage from every AI system that you touch. And what am I talking about here? Well, I'm talking about prompt engineering. Think of AI systems as incredibly intelligent employees who can do almost anything, but they're really bad at reading our minds. You see, these employees that we have, they need very precise, clear instructions to deliver exactly what it is that you want. The issue is that most people don't know how to give those instructions properly. Think of it like this. Imagine right now I give you 10 employees for free to work for you. If you gave them vague, unclear instructions, what would happen? Well, they would all just produce different results, most of them mediocre, because they don't understand what you actually want. But if you gave them clear, specific instructions with proper context and examples of what success looks like, suddenly those same 10 employees become incredibly productive and deliver exactly what it is that you need. And AI works exactly the same way. The difference between getting amazing results and garbage isn't the AI itself. It's actually how clearly you communicate as the leader giving the instructions. And by the way, the numbers actually prove how critical this skill actually has become. Recent industry research reveals that 78% of AI project failures stem not from the technological limitation, but from poor human AI communication. What does this actually mean? It means that right now 78% of companies are wasting massive amounts of money on AI projects that don't work, not because the technology is broken, but because no one knows how to communicate with them properly, which is why prompt engineering has become the foundational skill for building successful businesses in 2025. Because as much as we think that AI is actually going to replace us, that's not true. The reality is that AI needs human intelligence to unlock its potential. Without skilled prompt engineers, AI is just expensive software that produces mediocre results. So, how does prompt engineering actually work? Let me break this down into the core skills that you need to master. Here's a little breakdown on it. First, you need to understand prompt structure. Most people just type short and big instructions like, oh, write me a blog post, and then they wonder why they get garbage on the other side. Garbage in, garbage out. Professional prompts are structured into 5 key parts: role, context, task, audience, and then output format. So instead of saying, write me a fat loss ad, for example, instead you would write, for role, you are a direct response copywriter specializing in health and fitness marketing for women over 40. Giving some context, I'm launching a 12-week online fat loss program that combines intermittent fasting with strength training specifically designed for hormonal changes during menopause. The program costs $297 and includes meal plans, workout videos, and weekly group coaching calls. It addresses slower metabolism, stubborn belly fat, and energy fluctuations common during this life stage. For the task, I need you to write a Facebook ad that drives clicks to my landing page. For audience, this is for women aged 45 to 55 who are going through menopause, who are frustrated that their previous weight loss methods no longer work due to hormonal changes and want an approach that works with their changing body. For the format, please format as attention-grabbing headline, 3 to 4 sentence copy, strong call to action, and keep the total length under 125 words. And do you see the difference here? This is exactly how you create professional, high-quality marketing materials without hiring expensive agencies or having previous experience, ultimately giving you a competitive advantage. Now, some other prompt format examples include role-based prompting. This is actually where you tell AI exactly who it should act like. For example, you can actually instruct it to act as a McKinsey-level strategy consultant with 15 years of experience in business transformation. And what's cool is now you actually have access to the same caliber of strategic thinking that Fortune 500 companies pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for. You can actually ask complex business questions, get detailed market analysis, and receive strategic recommendations whenever you want. It's like having an industry-leading CEO in your pocket without 6-figure consulting fees. This one technique alone can improve your results by 300 to 400% because you are giving AI a specific expertise to draw from. Next is example-based training. Third, you learn how to provide examples. Instead of explaining what you want, you actually show the AI 2 to 3 examples of perfect outputs, and it will match the pattern consistently. So if you want emails written in a specific style, well, then you give the AI examples of emails in that style. If you want social media posts with a certain tone, you show posts with that tone. You could even feed the AI content from your favorite creators, YouTube video transcripts, or speeches from industry leaders that you admire. The AI will analyze your communication style and write scripts, emails, or marketing content that matches their approach without you having to lift a finger or pay the exorbitant copywriting fees that a lot of agencies charge. This means that you could have the writing style of some of the top marketers in your industry working for your business 24/7 for free. Lastly, there's chain of thought prompting. This is actually where you break down complex tasks, projects, and businesses into smaller steps that the AI can work through logically. This, by the way, is incredibly powerful if you want to start a business, because you can use it, you can actually map it out to figure out what business to start and how to start it. Instead of spending months and months trying to research what might work, you get the AI to walk through it step by step. You can ask it to first look at what are people actually buying right now. Second, find groups of customers who aren't getting what they need. Third, figure out how hard it would be to get started in said business. Then you get it to estimate how much money you can make and create a plan for you actually starting. All of that in a space of 60 minutes. What used to take expensive consultants weeks, sometimes even months to figure out, to get a full business plan and analyze a full industry, you can now get that done in an hour. The AI will walk through each step, telling you where the opportunities are, who you'd be up against, and exactly what you need to do to get started. What all these prompting techniques have in common is specificity and structure. Whether you're using role-based prompting, example-based training, or chain of thought prompting, you're always giving the AI clear context, specific instructions, and examples of what success actually looks like. The more precise and the more structured your prompts, the better your results will be.